Congratulations on completing this course. You have learned so much, not only the tools and effects and different techniques that I use when I edit any of my client projects, but you've also learned what to look for, what decisions to make to really tell a captivating story in your edit. Keep in mind, although other great media courses that would really take your editing skills to the next level. You can find these other great courses by going to our website or our profile page. Thank you again so much for enrolling in this course and going through this editing journey with me. I'm so excited for you to take what you've learned and start creating your own awesome, amazing, engaging edits.